Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to check your coolant level on a 2011 F-150 EcoBoost. You need any parts for your car? Click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. To open a hood on your 2011 Ford F-150, the hood release is down here on the driver's side by the left foot underneath the e-brake pedal. Pull on that. And you lift it up until it hits the actual safety lock. The safety lock on this F-150 is directly below the cymbal on the bottom bumper side, not the grille side. You'll have a lever right there. You're going to put it towards the driver's side and lift up. Here we have the radiator overflow tank, which on this vehicle there is no radiator cap. This is the only fill for it. It is under pressure. Note 16 pounds of pressure. When this vehicle is hot, do not open this cap. Best time to check your coolant is after the vehicle sat for several hours. You can take the cap right off. There should be no pressure. And that's where you would add your fluid, your coolant. You can check your level without opening the cover by looking through the transparent plastic, and you'll see the level right here. It's clearly marked cold fill range, so your fluid should be in this two lines when it is cold and has been sitting for several hours.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.